YouTube in 2025 is unlike anything we've seen before. Right now, people are creating viral channels without showing their face, without spending much, and with zero prior experience. And here's the crazy part. It's all being done with the help of AI. You've probably seen channels like this one, which is posting these short, spooky horror stories. Or this one, posting funny cat videos that rack up views really fast. Even this one, a duck going on simple adventures, and it blew up in under 30 uploads. But now, listen closely. These videos might look simple, but behind the scenes, they're powered by something powerful, and anyone can do it. Even if you've never made a video before, even if you're starting from scratch, I'm going to show you how you can build your own viral channel from the ground up. This isn't theory. This is something you can take action on today. But here's the thing. If you skip this video, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to start a faceless channel in 2025. Because I found a tool that does the hard work for you, which will allow you to generate full videos just by using a single AI prompt. The tool that I'm talking about is called Mootion. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it to start your first faceless channel that has the potential to blow up. To start off, go ahead and open Mootion, which you can find the link in my description. As you can see, with this tool, you can create full videos using just one simple prompt, and you have tons of pre-made templates you can use. Mootion has officially launched its biggest update yet, introducing full video creation from a single prompt, smarter editing tools, lifelike AI avatars, and so much more. Also, with it, you can generate videos in literally every niche there is, which is honestly just insane. So now let's create our first video, which will be in the horror niche since this niche is blowing up really fast. To start off, as you can see, you'll first need to enter a video idea. So now let me show you how you can come up with some pretty good video ideas. To do that, head over into ChatGPT and watch closely. Here, you need to ask ChatGPT to create 5 viral horror story ideas, and below that, briefly explain what kind of story you're looking for. You can also copy the exact prompt that I'm using, and you'll be good to go. Alright, once that's done, simply click Generate. And just like that, ChatGPT will give you 5 video ideas that you can use to create your video. And honestly, the ideas are really good, which is exactly what we need. Okay, once that's done, first copy the idea that you like the most, and then head back into Mootion. Here, just paste the idea into the section above, and once that's done, click the Generate button on the right side. Now, as you can see, this tool is a creative AI agent that will create your video from start to finish. And just so we don't waste any time, since this process takes around 5 minutes, I'll skip ahead and let's see what this tool can do. Alright, now that the whole process is done, first, as you can see, there is an AI director which will plan out all of the video creation steps beforehand, which is just crazy. Then, the director will automatically set the video language, the aspect ratio, and the visual style, which in my case is set as the retro comics style. After the director is done, the screenwriter will come into play. As you can see, the screenwriter will automatically analyze what the director has created, and based on that, it will generate a full video script. And to be honest, the script came out pretty humane and engaging, and it really matches the video idea we entered earlier. Alright, now that the screenwriter has finished everything, the animator will come into play. The animator will basically create all of the visuals for your video. At this point, it will ask if you want to animate everything. So here, make sure to click yes. Once you do that, the generation process will begin. It takes around 5 minutes, and once it's done, as you can see, all of the videos will be generated automatically, and the whole process was extremely easy. Alright, now that the animator has finished its job, the editor will come into play. Basically, the editor will edit the whole video for you. As you can see, it will automatically set the text style, scene effects, scene transitions, and it will also choose an AI voice for you as well. Once the editor is done with that, it will then create the voiceover, edit your whole video, add subtitles, effects, and everything else. Finally, at the end, the director will deliver the entire video fully ready, including a title, summary, and video tags that you can use. Basically, now your video is done. Here you can download the thumbnail, the storyboard, and the video itself. But if there are any mistakes in the final video, you can fully customize it. To do that, just click the edit button, and the full video editor will open for you. Basically, here you can find all of your animated videos. So, if there's a video you want to change, you can simply click on it, and then watch closely. First, you can regenerate it using the regenerate button on the right side, or you can also upload your own image or video using the replace feature, which is pretty handy. Now once you're done with that, go ahead and click on the next button, which will bring you to the adjustment section. Here you can change everything. like the text, the animations, transitions, thumbnail, and even the voiceover. But since all of that is already set, at the end, you'll find a music section where you can select a background track if you'd like. Basically, you have a lot of great options here, so just pick the track you like the most. And once that's done, click the composite button, and just like that, your video will be finally exported. So now, let's see how the video came out.
In the heart of Woodgate Forest, a place whispered about in hushed tones in local legends, a group of adventurous friends gathered. Mia, the fearless leader of the group, had stumbled upon an old book filled with urban legends at a secondhand store. Among the tales, she read about the Woodgate Watcher, a spirit believed to roam the forest, seeking mischief and occasionally accompanying unwary travelers. Intrigued, Mia suggested to her friends a night expedition, an exploration to perhaps invoke the Watcher's presence.
While this is just a short sample of the full video, as you can see, the result looks pretty solid, especially considering how easy it was to make. So now that you know how to use Mootion to create horror story videos, let me show you how you can recreate those viral cat videos that are currently blowing up. To start off, open Mootion, and here, open the Faceless Short Videos feature. As you can see, you'll need to enter a short video prompt, just like before. You can even use a pre-made script if you want to, but let's go ahead and create a video using just a prompt, since it's really easy. First, you'll notice some pre-made prompts will show up right here, but since we're creating a viral cat video, I'm going to enter a prompt about a cat going on a journey that faces unexpected twists. Next, below the prompt section, you can customize the language and tone, which I'll leave as they are. Then below that, you can even add an avatar to your video, which can make it more engaging. I won't include one in this video, but I'll show you how it looks in just a minute. Once that's set, down in the ratio section, you can choose the format of the video. And for this one, make sure to select 9:16, since that's the short form format. And at the bottom, you'll find the visual style section where you can choose from a variety of styles right here. For our video, I'll set it to hyper cartoon since it matches the style of the niche. Alright, now that everything is ready, just click on the generate button above and the generation process will start. This process will take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, and once it's done, as you can see, all of the images, including a full script, will be generated for you. Now, before we animate all of the images, here are a few important features to consider. First, if you don't like how an image turned out, you can click the regenerate button, and as you can see, you'll be able to regenerate the entire image in just a few seconds. You can also upload your own image or video if you'd like. Then, you can animate each of the images manually using your own prompt. Just enter a prompt, choose the duration, and that's pretty much it. Also, there's a very interesting feature called the edit feature. Once you open it, the first section is adjustment, where you can crop and flip the video however you like. Then there's the modify feature, which you can use to make changes to the image. Basically, using the brush tool, you can draw where you want to add a new element. Let's say here I want to add a flower. In the prompt section, I'll just type flower, and once that's done, I'll click submit. This process takes just a few seconds to finish, and once it's done, as you can see, we've added a flower to the image, which is really cool. Alright, now there's also an erase feature, which allows you to erase anything from the image. For example, let's remove the flower we just added. To do that, simply select the flower using the brush tool and then click remove. This process is really fast, and once it's done, you'll see that we've just removed the flower from the image, and it looks pretty clean. Now, to touch everything up, there's a background changer feature, which will automatically detect the background, and just by using a prompt, you can generate a new one. But since my background looks good, I'll leave it as it is. Alright, now that everything is ready, let's finally animate the images. To do that, simply click on the Animate All button and then click OK. As you can see, this process will take around 4 minutes, and once it's done, just like that, we've animated every single image in the video. It's honestly insane how easy the process was. Okay, now that you've created the visuals, let's add the final touch to the video. To do that, click on the button above, and the adjustment menu will open for you. Here, you can adjust the title of the video, then the subtitle, Look, with many different options to choose from. Below that, there's also a scene effects section, which I'll set to mini zoom to make the video a bit cleaner. Then, you can also customize the transitions of the video, so feel free to choose the one you like best. Now, a really good feature is the voiceover feature. Here you can choose from tons of great voices, and they all sound really good. In my case, I'll set it to 𝐓𝐴 since it sounds pretty solid. Then you can adjust the voiceover volume, and you can also speed it up a bit to make it more engaging. Alright, now below the voiceover feature, you'll find the avatar section. Here you can customize the position of the avatar, and you can also place it in a circle for a cleaner look. You can change the avatar in your video as well, and there's a list of multiple good-looking options to choose from. For this video, I'll remove the avatar, but like I said, in just a minute, I'll show you how it looks. Now, the last thing you need to do is add a background track. You can search for the track you like the most, and once you find it, make sure to select it. Then, above that, you can customize the music volume, which I'll set to low so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. And just like that, your video will be finally ready. Now, to export the video, go ahead and click on the composite button above. Just wait for the rendering process to finish. And once it's done, you can download the video directly from here. Now let's see how the video came out.
A curious cat named Whiskers dreamt of adventure beyond her backyard. Whiskers packed her favorite toy and a snack, ready for a journey. She slipped through a gap in the fence, entering the unknown. The forest seemed magical with birdsong and rustling leaves. Whiskers encountered a mysterious fox with a sly grin. Fox offered to guide Whiskers to the enchanted pond. Suspicious but intrigued, Whiskers followed the fox cautiously. The path was twisting, filled with hidden surprises.
While this isn't the full video, just so we don't waste any time, as you can see, it came out really good. So now let's see how the video looks with the avatar included.
A curious cat named Whiskers dreamt of adventure beyond her backyard. Whiskers packed her favorite toy and a snack, ready for a journey. She slipped through a gap in the fence, entering the unknown.
I mean, the version with the avatar looks interesting, but I'll let you decide which one is better, so let me know in the comments. Alright, now you have everything you need to start a channel in any viral niche you want, because with this tool, you can create videos in literally any niche. So before we wrap up, let me explain something important. Mootion has a few interesting monthly plans, but the cool part is you can even use the free plan, which gives you 200 credits, and that's actually really good. Then there's the standard plan, which gives you 1,500 credits monthly, which is pretty solid. And if you want to take things to the next level, you can go for the Plus or Pro plans, which give you even more credits, meaning you can push out videos on multiple channels at the same time. Also, there's an education program, which allows teachers and students to use this tool free for 1 month. So if you're a student, you can try this tool completely free. So now, everything is up to you. And since Faceless videos are blowing up really fast, this is a great opportunity to start your own channel in 2025. And as always, keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.